Chloe cheese. And more cheese. We're at the market in Paris. And Versailles. I'm finishing my sandwich.
So if you want to buy the butter, like I think I can buy it. There's another one in Paris.
It's in it, but the temperature is probably, I don't know. Hi, tita.
So, Tanisha, building water market.
These are all market.
Herbs. Herbs. So, the section is poultry and fish.
Every day ni open. Oh, wow. Aubergine. Burger. Tita, sorry. Tita, Burger King. Ang temperature marag na siguro sa 15. Aircon weather 16 degrees.